This is Mr. Elmhorst with a sixth grade math lesson. Just a quick look at reversing inequalities. When the inequality, if you have the variable on the right side, that inequality is written backwards from how we graph it. So the quick trick is that we are going to reverse the order and then flip the sign. So it is in the correct order, the variable or letter, then the sign, and then the number. So we're going to move the variable to the left side, move the number to the right side. We're just going to reverse the order, but then when we flip the order, we also need to flip the sign. This is only when the variable is on the right side. And when the variable is on the right side, it is in reverse order. Now we flip it, we can graph it. G is less than 5. So W, -8, we're going to switch sides and then flip the sign. So W is greater than or equal to -8. K and then 0. And K is on the pointy side or the less than side. So K, we flip the sign. K is less than or equal to 0. So we always need to have it in the order where we first have the letter, then the sign, and then the number to solve. The second situation where you're going to reverse the sign is if you are multiplying or dividing by a negative variable. So this is a negative 5k. This is a negative 3 for the b, which is being divided, and then we have a negative 5y. So we're always going to start with the variable, and then the sign, and then the solve. So here we have negative 5k. So we're going to divide both sides by negative 5. Now the 5 is going to cancel, and then 10 divided by 5 is going to give us negative 2. Now here's the catch. When you divide a negative by a negative, whenever you have the integer rules, when you divide by a negative, then that is switching the sign. That switch of the sign is actually going to switch our inequality sign also. So instead of being greater than, it switches everything to less than. So here we have b divided by negative 3. We're going to multiply both sides by negative 3 in order to solve. 3 divided by 3 cancels. And then a negative divided by a negative, that's going to switch that variable to a positive. Everything was a negative variable, but then once you switch the variable to a positive, then that switches the number line and the direction. So instead of b less than, now b is greater than. 6 times 3 is 18, and a negative times a negative is a positive. So we need our variable. We have a negative 5y. So we're going to divide both sides by negative 5 to cancel. 5 divided by 5 is 1. And then when you divide a negative variable by a negative, that's going to switch the sign. The negative by a negative becomes positive, and that also flips this inequality symbol. 50 divided by 5 is 10, and then negative divided by a negative is a positive.